introduce the band. We are the Noise Poets from Galveston Island, Texas. Tony Sassy on bass and vocals.
Yeah, I'm in that band too. I'm George Lee. I'm the lead guitar player and the singer. You know how I know? I got this Noise Poets pick. That makes it official. I thought I was alone, except for you. I'm putting the final touches, wrapping up the last mix of this Don't Mess With The Sound, the upcoming Noise Poets album. All original songs performed by Tony Sassy on bass, Nick Verimis on drums, and of course myself, George Douglas Lee. It's about ready to go to the mastering phase and then manufacturing. Isn't that right, Effie? It is. Probably about a month it'll be ready. Now, I'm gonna do something really special. I'm gonna give some of these away. All you gotta do is this. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. If you guess it, you can win this Noise Poets album free for only 12 bucks. No, I made that part up because I only make up the truth. However, I guess they're gonna sell for $12, maybe 10, I don't remember. We'll make you a deal. I just wanted to let you know it's coming up, and this is good stuff, because you know what? This is no ordinary band. This is Retro Metro rock and roll. Now, we gotta get back to work. I gotta see about something. Let's go, baby.